Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today, for all you Mac users, maybe you're new to Mac or you're just curious, I'm going to show you what's new in macOS Sonoma. This is macOS 14. This is the newest Mac operating system as of the time I made this video. This is just an overview. I'm literally just going to tell you about 7 or 8 new features, and then I'll do a deep dive into these videos in the future if I haven't already. All right, first off is adding widgets to your desktop. A couple days ago, I posted a video in depth about this, so go back and watch that video, how to add widgets to your desktop. This is a cool new feature. In case you don't know what they're talking about, widgets are all these things right behind me right here on my desktop. This is awesome. You've always had this, or for a long time, you've had this on your phone. You now have it on your desktop. And then this, I'm excited to make a video about this because I haven't used this yet. But this is a presenter mode for Zoom. So I do a ton of sales calls on Zoom, and I'm looking forward to use this. This is presenter mode. I can put my slides and my presentation behind me on this screen. That's going to be pretty awesome. Then there's live reactions. You can create animated reactions in Zoom, 3D effects, just with your facial and your hand gestures. Again, I haven't tried this. I'm excited to try it out. So this is the new screensaver, the new wallpaper, I should say. It moves. It has motion to it. Okay? This is pretty cool. I don't know if this works if you have widgets on your screen, though, because ever since I put widgets on my screen, it quit working. All right, this I haven't played with. I'm excited to make a video about this. But if you're like me and you have tons of tabs open in your browsers, you can now have grouped browsers. So based on subjects, whatever you want. Like the example here is personal, school, business. That's going to be cool to stay organized when I'm working online. You can use any website like an app. You've technically always kind of been able to do this, but they make it a lot easier now. So you can go to any website and you can add it to the dock. Again, I'll do a deep dive into this and show you how to do that. You can add it to the dock, so you just click on the dock. In case you don't know, this is the dock. You just click on that and it takes you to a website, one that you use frequently. All right, and then you can now share passwords with your trusted contacts. This comes in handy if you have virtual assistants or people family members that you need to have access to different websites. You can share those passwords. All right, that's it for the new tips and tricks, the new features in macOS Sonoma. Again, check back. Some of those things I've already done a deep dive into, but I'll do a deep dive into the others in the near future.